the next point. We should ensure whatever we see is clear.
That means work is being done. We can see that it is in opposite direction.
Good day, learners. You are welcome to another segment of our e-learning by Kaduna State Government. I am Mr. Monday Bokwe, your regular mathematics teacher. Today we are going to consider a topic known as coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Under coordinate geometry, we'll be considering equation of a line. Equation of a line. The equation of a line can be expressed into the following forms. The equation of a line can be categorized into the following forms. A. Gradient intercept form. We have gradient intercept form of equation of a line. The gradient intercept form of equation of a line is given by y equals to mx plus c. Y equals to mx plus c, where m stands for the gradient of the line and c is the intercept on the y-axis. Y equals to ms plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the intercept on the y-axis. Now we are going to cite examples so that we'll apply in the formula to deduce or to determine the equation of a line. Example 1. The question goes, find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line with gradient 2 and intercept on y-axis 3. Find the equation of a line with gradient 2 and intercept on y-axis 3. Solution. From the given equation, we can be able to state the formula in intercept form. The equation of a line is given by y equals to mx plus c. Y equals to mx plus c. So from the question, we were given our gradient as 2. So our m now is 2 because m represents the gradient, while our intercept on the y-axis is 3. The intercept on the y-axis is 3. Therefore, our c will be 3. Hence, from the equation of a line, y equals to mx plus c, we make replacement. We make replacement. So we'll now be having y equals to 2x plus 3. Y equals to 2x plus 3. That gives us the equation of the line. Example 2. The question goes like this. Find the equation of a line with gradient minus 1 over 2 and intercept on y-axis minus 4. The intercept on the y-axis is minus 4, while the gradient is minus 1 over 2. Solution. You state the formula, which is given by y equals to mx plus c. Y equals to mx plus c. Of course, our variables are m and c, m being the gradient and c being the intercept on the y-axis. So from the question given, we can be able to deduce that our m is equals to minus 1 over 2. Our m equals to minus 1 over 2 and c equals to minus 4. C equals to minus 4, the intercept on the y-axis. Therefore, from the general formula, y equals to mx, when we replace our values, our y will be equals to minus 1 over 2x. Minus 1 over 2x plus minus 4. minus 1 over 2x plus minus 4. Clearing the bracket, our equation becomes y equals to minus 1 over 2x minus 4, because plus minus give us minus. So the equation of the line becomes y equals to minus 1 over 2x minus 4. That gives us the equation of the line. Now, the second part of the general equation of a line, which is B, is equation of a line with gradient m and passing through the point x1, comma y1. Now, another form of equation of a line is the equation with gradient m passing through the point x1, comma y1. The equation of a line passing through the point x1, comma y1 is given by y minus y1 equals to m minus m into x minus x1. The general equation is given by y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. You know our m is a gradient and it passes through a coordinate, a point x1 and y1. So the equation is being transformed now to y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Now let's cite examples so that we can be able to find the equation of a line passing through a given point and also with gradient given. Question 1. Find the equation of a line passing through the point 1, 4, 1, 4 and with gradient minus 3 over 2. The question again, find the equation of a line passing through the point 1, 4 and with gradient minus 3 over 2. Solution. Now the equation passes through a given point and the gradient was also given. So you state the equation, which is y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. Now we identify our variables. The gradient was given as minus 3 over 2. Minus 3 over 2. Well, the equation passes through the point 1, 4. So our x1 in this case is 1, while our y1 is 4. S comes before y. So our x1 is 1, while our y1 is equals to 4. Therefore, when we substitute in the equation, we'll be having y minus y1, which is minus 4, equals to m, which is the gradient, minus 3 over 2, open bracket, x minus 1, because x1 is 1. x1 is 1. So when you multiply through by the LCM, the lowest common multiple, we'll be having 2 into y minus 4, 2 into y minus 4 equals 2 multiplying minus 3 over 2, open bracket, x minus 1. 2 into y minus 4 equals 2 times minus 3 over 2, open bracket, x minus 1. So when you simplify further, you'll be having 2 into y minus 4 equals to minus 3, because 2 has divided 2. So we'll be left with minus 3, open bracket, x minus 1. Multiplying through by clearing the bracket, we'll be having 2 times y. You have 2y. 2 times 4, we have 8. So 2 times y is 2y. 2 times minus 4 will have minus 8, giving us minus 3 times x is minus 3x. And then minus 3 times minus 1, giving us plus 3, because minus times minus is plus. Minus times minus is plus. So we will now collect all the variables together. 2y minus 3x come to the other side, become plus 3x. So we have 2y plus 3x carrying the constant term to the other side. We'll be having 3 plus 8. Minus 8 become plus 8. So we have 2y plus 3x equals to 3 plus 8. Simplifying, we'll be having 2y plus 3x equals to 11. 2y plus 3x equals to 11. Or you can equate everything to equals to 0. So 2y plus 3x minus 11 equals to 0. 2y plus 3x minus 11 equals to 0. That gives us the equation of the line. Then example 2, we have the question as find the equation of the line passing through the point minus 2 comma minus 3 minus 2 comma minus 3, and whose gradient is minus 2 and whose gradient is minus 2. So solution, you state the general formula of a line passing through a point and with a given gradient, which is y minus y1 equals to m open bracket x minus x1. Y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. Now you identify your variables. You are expected to identify your variables. Who is the gradient? M, which is minus 2, as given in the equation. And then the coordinates, x1 is minus 2, while y1 is minus 3. X1 is minus 2, while y1 is minus 3. Now you carry all the variables and then you substitute in the formula. Therefore, y minus y1 is minus 3, so it should be in bracket, equivalent to or equals to minus 2 open bracket x minus minus 2. That minus 2 outside is the gradient as given. Now we simplify. Minus minus giving us plus. Minus times minus will give us plus. So we'll be having y plus 3 equals to minus 2 into x minus minus will also give us plus. So we'll have s plus 2. So the equation will be y plus 3 equals to minus 2 into x plus 2. But we need to expand the bracket. So we expand the bracket, we'll be having y plus 3 equals to minus 2x minus 4. Minus 2x minus 4. So collecting like terms, all the variables to the right hand side and the constant term to the other side, to the left hand side. So we have y plus 2x, because minus 2x cross equality sign become plus 2. So we have y plus 2x equals to minus 4 minus 3. Y plus 2x equals to minus 4 minus 3. And by the directed numbers, minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Hence, our y plus 2x equals to minus 7. Or you equate them to be equals to 0. We have y plus 2x plus 7 equals to 0. Minus 7 become plus 7. So the equation of the line become y plus 2x plus 7 equals to 0. Now the last form of equation of a line is C part, which is equation of a line passing through 2 points. Equation of a line passing through 2 points, and they are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Equation of a line passing through 2 points, x1, y1 and then s2, y2. Now the general equation of a line passing through 2 points, x1, y1 and s2, y2 is given by y minus y1 all divided by x minus x1 equals to y2 minus y1 over s2 minus x1. The formula again, when a line is passing through 2 points, x1, y1 and s2, y2, then the equation is determined by using the formula y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equals to y2 minus y1 divided by s2 minus x1. Examples. Example 1, we have find the equation of a line passing through the point 2, 5 and minus 1, 6. The question again, find the equation of a line passing through the points 2, 5 and minus 1, 6. Solution. Now the first thing, you state the formula because it is very important. So for a equation of a line passing through 2 points, the equation is given by y minus y1 all divided by x minus x1 equals to y2 minus y1 over s2 minus x1. Now in this case we determine our variables. Who is x1? Who is s2? Who is y1? Who is y2? So from the question given, s1 is equals to 2 while s2 is minus 1. y1 equals to 5 and y2 equals to 6. So when you substitute, we are going to have y minus y1, which is 5, over x minus x1, which is 2, equals to y2. Our y2 is 6 minus y1. Our y1 is 5, all divided by s2. Our s2 is minus 1 minus x1 is 2. So we have y minus 5 divided by x minus 2 equals to 6 minus 5 divided by minus 1 minus 2. When you simplify, you have y minus 5 divided by x minus 2 equals to 1 over minus 3, because 6 minus 5 is 1 while minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 by directed numbers. So we have y minus 5 divided by x minus 2 equals to 1 divided by minus 3. When you simplify it further by multiplying through by the LCM, we'll be having minus 3 open bracket y minus 5 equals 1 open bracket s minus 2 close your bracket. So expanding, we have minus 3 times y will give us minus 3y, while minus 3 times minus 5 will give us plus 15, because minus times minus is plus. So to the right hand side we have 1 times x, we have 1x, and 1 times minus 2 equals to minus 2. Now simplifying all the variables together, equating it to 0 minus 3y minus x. Y minus x because it crosses equality sign, and when it crosses equality sign, the sign must change from positive to negative and from negative to positive. So we have minus 3y minus x plus 15 plus 2 equals to 0. Minus 3y minus x plus 15 plus 2 equals to 0. Simplifying that, we'll be having minus 3y minus x plus 17 equals to 0. Minus 3y minus x plus 17 equals to 0. Now when you multiply through by a negative number to have a positive form of the equation becomes 3y plus x minus 17. 3y plus x minus 17. That gives us the equation of the line. Finally, example 2, the last example under equation of a line passing through 2 points x1, y1, s2, y2. The question is, find the equation of a line passing through the point 1, minus 1 in bracket and minus 2, minus 13 in bracket. The question again, find the equation of a line passing through the point 1, minus 1, all in bracket, and minus 2, minus 13, all in bracket. Solution. Now, the first thing you do is to state the formula. After stating the formula, you derive your variables. After deriving your variables, you substitute your variables. Thereafter, the equation will be determined. So in this case, equation of a line passing through 2 points will be y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Given from the equation, our x1 is 1, our s2 is minus 2, our y1 is minus 1, our y2 is minus 13. So you have all the variables available for you. All you need to do is to make substitution. Where you see x1, you replace 1. Where you see s2, you replace minus 2. Where you see y1, you replace minus 1. And where you see y2, you replace minus 13. So substituting now, we have y minus 1, y minus 1, all divided by x minus 1 equals minus 13 minus 1 divided by minus 2 minus 1. Simplifying, minus give us plus, so we have y plus 1 over x minus 1 equals to minus 13 plus 1 divided by minus 3. Continue from there, we'll proceed by simplifying. We have y plus 1 over x minus 1 equals minus 12 over minus 3, because minus 13 plus 1 is minus 12, all divided by minus 3. Now simplifying, 12 divided by 3 is 4, while 3 divided by 3 is 1. Minus divide minus becoming positive. So we have y plus 1 over x minus 1 equals to 4 divided by 1. Multiplying through by the LCM, or you can cross multiply. We have 1 into y plus 1 equals to 4 into x minus 1. Clearing the bracket, we have 1 times y plus 1 times 1 equals 4 times x, 4x, 4 times minus 1, minus 4. Equating the equation to 0, we have y minus 4x plus 1 plus 4 equals to 0. And when you simplify, you have y minus 4x plus 5 equals to 0. That gives us the equation of the line. Now, due to time factor, we'll pause here, and then I'll give you an assignment so that you can be able to practice. Mathematics, we don't read, you practice. So we'll have some sample assignment. You'll be able to practice at home. Question 1 goes like this. Find the equation of the line with gradient 7 and intercept on y-axis is 5. Find the equation of a line with gradient 7 and intercept on y-axis is 5. Question 2. Find the equation of a line with gradient 3 which passes through the point minus 4, 5. Find the equation of a line with gradient 3 which passes through the point minus 4, 5. The last question. Find the equation of a line passing through the point 2, 5, all in bracket, and minus 3, minus 8. The question again, number 3, find the equation of a line passing through the point 2, 5, and minus 3, minus 8. That brings us to the end of the lesson. I am Monday Bokwai. You can always get me through my phone number 080-2525-080-2525-9755. I remain Monday Bokwai. Stay safe, keep learning, and we'll see the next lesson. God bless you.